Okay, so on this question, we are trying to solve for m, right? Find the solution. So in other words, basically we want, all the way down the bottom, there's m is saying, I want to be alone. I want to be alone, which means you got to get rid of that 19, get rid of that 4, get rid of that 2 power, get rid of that -5, get rid of all that stuff to get the m alone. Okay, so let's do it step by step. So here we go. So first off, I'm going to get rid of that 19. Boom, boom. Bring down the 4, m minus 5 squared. And what's that, 72? Yeah, okay. And next, get rid of that 4, divide by 4 on both sides. Boom, boom. So minus 5 squared is 18. Okay, so now we're getting closer to getting that m alone. Now we have to get rid of that 2 power. It's kind of like I'm peeling an onion, right? I'm starting in the outer layers and working my way down in. So now, get rid of that 2 power. So how do you get rid of that 2 power? Well, you square root it, huh? Square root, all right, to both sides. But don't forget, when you put a roof on the house, you got to go up and down the ladder. So that's really important. When you got to remember that plus or minus. When you put the roof over both sides, you got to go plus or minus up and down the ladder. Okay, and then these cancel. And you get m minus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 18. Now, we need to simplify that square root of 18. So how do we simplify? Well, here, let's do this. Let's finish up first. First, let's add 5 to both sides. And we'll finish getting m alone. Then we'll simplify the root of 18. So boom, boom. So then we get m equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 18. That 5 cannot add with that 18 because they live in different worlds, right? The 18 is inside the root and the 5 is outside. That's like prison, right? Inside, outside, no interacting. So that's basically the answer, except I've got to simplify that 18. How do you do that? Well, it's 2 times 9. The 2 can't go any further. And 9 is 3 times 3. So therefore, that becomes m equals 5 plus or minus. And then that's the square root of 2 times 3 times 3. That 18 is 233. And then you know what square roots do, right? 2 for 1 deal. So 2 3s inside, sends 1 3 outside, and they're gone. So then m equals 5 plus or minus 3 root 2. This 2 stays inside, doesn't it? Like that. Okay, so and then they told us to get it in the form right here, a plus or minus b root c. They want a plus or minus b root c. So the a is 5, b is 3, the c is 2. So you can identify a, b, and c, 5, 3, 2. So I'll just come back here and go 5, 3, 2. So there we go.